Hello everyone! In today's video I am excited to share with you all the fantastic goodies that I recently picked up from Kenj. Now let's jump straight into the video. I usually don't use stickers, but when I stumbled upon these I couldn't resist and I just had to buy them. I also bought these Japanese style taro mochi. I couldn't resist and I bought mango flavored as well. Moving on to something visually stunning. It's a tea packed in a flower box. It's peach green tea. And I picked up another box that's equally stunning. This one is rose lychee black tea. Next up, I've got this sandalwood spice incense cone box. I've picked up some adorable metal pin badges. I love Kenj. I think it's my favorite store and I was super happy when they opened one in London. My first time there felt like I'm in Japan even though I've never been. I love these, they are super cute. I'm not sure what these are. At first I thought they were like fortune cookies where you open them to reveal luck inside, but now I don't think you can open them. I bought them because they are perfect addition to my porcelain cat collection. The next item I bought is this adorable Lucky Cat notebook. Let's take a look inside. I love the cream color pages. And I like the foiled Kenj. By the way, I keep pronouncing it Kenji, but I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation. This is the last item I bought and I absolutely love it. Look at these colors. It says here it's size A6. Let's take a closer look. I love this fabric cover. Everything about it. The colors, the feel, just everything is simply amazing. Let's have a look at what's inside. It has the same cream color pages as in the notebook. And the binder looks okay. By far, this is my favorite cover. It seems bigger than A6, more like the size of a personal planner. I'll check if the inserts from my personal planner fit inside. My pen is also from Kenj. The size is the same. And let's check the holes. It fits perfectly. I haven't checked if they sell inserts. I didn't look for them in the store, but you can always find personal size inserts online. I also have them in my store. I'll leave a link to my inserts in the description below. I love this cover and it's not expensive. Thank you so much for joining me today and exploring all these wonderful finds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, bye!